Aye, the sounds of cuckoos. They push people out of nests too. Well, people, other birds. I'm on Loch Rannoch, and as far as the eye can see, I can't find the beast. I can see for 20 miles, but not a sheep on the hill, not a coo in the field. There's nothing but cuckoo sound here. All the farmhouses, though, they've been converted into beautiful homes, probably for the rich. It's kind of like an inverse or a reverse Highland clearance, where we've swapped the farmer for the future insurance salesman. I don't know, but it seems like too nice a day to worry about things like that. But I am, so here I am, worrying about things like that. It's a glorious morning. It's the 1st of June. It's like a new summer, but there's nothing here to share it with, apart from maybe the sound of the cuckoo. I do like the swifts in the sky, though, and they're blue. The sky is blue, and they're black. They're like little tattoos. Aye, grand.